Good morning, Mr. Erhan. We have a tour for you today.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mr. Erhan, and I teach vehicle maintenance and repair here at the Islip Career Center. Come on in. Hi, guys. Welcome to class here. This is vehicle maintenance and repair. I just want to introduce you to the classroom. So what do we learn here? All right, we learn an entry-level skill set for a technician. What does that mean now? That means services such as oil changes, tire services, New York State inspections, multi-point inspections, fluid and filter services, and of course, repairs. Why don't I show you around the shop a little bit? So over this way, we have a full complement of tire machines. You can see our guys are already at work on changing some tires today. The back of the shop here, you can see some work that we have set up. This car here is set up for a coolant flush today. We're going to maintain this cooling system by changing out its fluid. A little further behind this car, you can see that we have our New York State inspection machine. So every year, motor vehicle in New York State has to get a mandatory safety and emissions inspection. This is the equipment that you're going to see in every shop in New York State. So when you're here, you're learning on the right tools that you're going to see in the real world. Alright guys, so as a student, what can you look for coming into this classroom? Well, your expectation is this. Number one, professionalism. That's what we expect as a bare minimum here. Number two, we're going to work hard, right? We have a lot of learning. What does a day in a life look here? Let's take a look. Well, as we come in from the front, right? After we get out of buses, we're going to be expected to transition to our classroom area here. As you can see right now, we're set up for social distancing. We're going to have our lesson out in the shop area here, and then that lesson transfers to something that we do out in the shop. After we've finished with our service for the day, we have live customer service work that comes in very routinely. So we have a couple things actually going on today in terms of service work. Like I mentioned earlier, we have a coolant flush happening over here. On this car here, we have a problem with the battery that we're kind of tracing down a little bit. So we really don't shy away too much. But I want to keep it in the scope that's something useful for you, that's going to help you become a better technician. Thanks for coming in. Hope to see you soon. Be well.